In this video, we will going to talk about a performance that has actually shaken the entire street for over many years. And this company turned out to be the biggest company in Indian corporate. We are talking about Reliance Industry. It has recently come up with its Q1 number. What kind of number they have come up with, what kind of performance Reliance Industries has shown with their geo business, with their petrochemical or other retail business, we will going to talk about in this video. But before that, I really want to give you some of the data, fundamental data about the company that will set the perspective right. It has a market cap of 13,34,579 crore. It has a price to earning ratio of 48, face value of 10 rupee per share. Last dividend they paid of around 70 in June 2021. That's the recent quarter. And the book value of the share is 685. And the current market price of the stock is 2,105. So from its current market price and from its book value, price to book ratio stands at 3. So I will quickly jump on to this article. It clearly says that Reliance Industries Q1 result net profit falls 7% year on year to rupees 12,273 crore. But let's not only read the heading, let's also go into the specific of the result. Mukesh Ambani owned Reliance Industries has posted consolidated net profit of 12,273 crore, down 7% year on year in the quarter, that is Q1 21, which has just gone, which is in fact is April, May, June quarter. Company also posted profit of 13,233 crore, including exceptional gain for the year ago period. Reliance revenue from operation has come around 1.4 lakh crore from 91,000 crore in the year ago period. Value of share and service for the quarter was 1.58 lakh crore, higher by 57%. Reliance consolidated earning before interest tax for June quarter came 27,550 crore. A record quarter performance, the company said in the statement that they came with. Their oil to chemical business rebound. Reliance Industry took a hit in this business during the second wave of the COVID. Half of the firm pre-tax earning came from the traditional oil refining and petrochemical and gas business, and consumer facing business contributed 44%. That's majorly their retail and geo business. Mukesh Ambani said that I'm happy that our company has diversified robust growth despite of several challenges of the COVID, and the result of the first quarter of 2022 clearly demonstrate that the Reliance diversified portfolio that cater to the large part of the consumer basket, of the consumption basket. As far as the Reliance Jio business is concerned, net profit stood at 3,651. Yes, Jio have grown to this kind of revenue figures for Q1, that is rising 45% against 2,519 crore last year. Average ARPU for Jio stood at 138 per subscriber per month. Reliance chairman also said that during the COVID period, when their retail segment was facing restrictions, they remained focused on ensuring the supplies of necessary goods for the families, including food, groceries, health, hygiene product. And they also did partnership with small merchants, did digital engagements that has created newer growth model for the company. So on Monday, market will react to this number. But one thing is for sure, that the revenue from operations growing from 91,000 crore to 1,44,000 crore is an exceptional performance, and we need to see how market will going to react on these numbers on Monday. So I am pretty sure that everybody, if somebody is a long-term investor, has Reliance Industries in their portfolio, I think a revenue jump like this is exceptional, though there is some marginal fall in terms of profit. But look at the revenue jump from 92,000 crore to 1,44,000 crore. This is something exceptional, and it actually shows the kind of vision that the company, you can say promoter, actually has in terms of driving this company. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you in the next video.